Hey guys, welcome back to our channel Student Impulse, a unique channel to help job seekers, both freshers and experienced professionals. It also helps students to get to know what the skill set they have to improve during their studies, which lands them a dream job after their education. Hello everyone, hope you are all doing good. Sorry for the delay in releasing a video for Madurai location. I will try to release a video at earliest moving forward. And in today's video, we are going to discuss about latest job openings in Madurai location. Thank you so much for your support. And if you are watching our channel for the first time, please subscribe and press the bell icon to encourage me to do more videos. Let us get started our video without any delay.
Attention please, do not pay money for any kind of job. Firstly, there is a job openings for Vasantham Supermarket for the job roles cashier and customer service. Salary offered up to 8,000 per month. Qualifications if you see any degree. Both male and female candidates are eligible for the job roles cashier and customer service. You can contact on the given phone number for further information. Contact number is 9943888771. Next, there is a job openings for customer service and sales representative for T Labs. Salary offered up to 13,000 per month. Minimum salary is 9,500 and there will be incentives as well. Salary based on experience. So salary will be offered based on your experience as well. Qualifications if you observe any degree and you should know the English and Tamil languages. Marketing and sales up to 1 year of experience will be considered and freshers also eligible. Only male candidates are eligible for these job roles. You can contact on the given phone number for further information. Contact number is 9791029397. There is also official website address of the company. You can check with that. Next, there is a job opening for Vendana IAS Academy for the job role typist. Salary offered up to 8,000 per month. Qualification any degree and you should know Tamil language typing. Both male and female candidates are eligible for the job role and you can share your resume at the provided email ID vendhaniasacademy@gmail.com. There is also official contact number provided. Contact number is 045224360131. You can contact on the given phone number for further information. Next, there is a job opening for Satyam Bio Private Limited or Satyam Kisan Care for the job role personal assistant. Salary offered up to 10,000 per month. Qualification any degree. Both male and female candidates are eligible for this job role. You can contact on the given phone number for further information. Contact number is 7708061345. Next, there is a job openings for field officer job role for Satyam Bio Private Limited. Salary offered up to 10,000 per month. Qualifications if you see BSc Agriculture or agriculture related degree and you should have good communication skills and you should have the sales experience in organic manure. You should be a friendly person. So these are all the qualifications. Both male and female candidates are eligible for this job role field officer. You can contact on the given phone number for further information. Contact number is 8012580670. Next, there is a job openings for relationship officers for MSc Financial Services Limited. Salary offered up to 10,000 per month. Qualifications if you see any degree and fresh graduates and up to 1 year of experience will be considered. Both male and female candidates are eligible for the job role relationship officers and you can share your resume at the provided email ID or you can also go through the provided link and apply for the job. The contact email ID is hradmin@mscfsl.com. Next, there is a job openings for part-time sales assistant for the organization MSc Financial Services Limited. Salary offered up to 10,000 per month. Qualifications if you see any degree and fresh graduates and up to 1 year of experience will be considered. And this is all. There is also eligibility for freshers as well. Both male and female candidates are eligible for the job role part-time sales assistant. You can share your resume at the provided email ID hradmin@mscfsl.com. Next, there is a job opening for sales associate for alternate energy system. Salary offered up to 15,000 per month. Qualification if you see any degree. Only male candidates are eligible for this job role. You can share your resume at the provided email ID or you can also contact on the given phone number for further information. Contact email ID is siva@ alterenergysystem.in and contact number is 9344118252. Next, there is a job openings for sales officer for the organization. You can check with the details here. Salary offered up to 18,000 per month. And qualifications, if you observe, HSC or Inter or +2 or any degree. Only male candidates with two-wheeler are eligible for this job role, sales officer. You can contact on the given phone number for further information. Contact number is 7402 111146. Next, there is a job openings for logistics executive for RK Glenrock Private Limited. Salary offered up to 15,000 a month. Qualifications, if we see, any graduate and freshers are eligible. Candidates with minimum of 2 years experience in export and imports logistics are preferred. So preference will be given to experienced people in export and import logistics, but that is not mandatory. So freshers are also eligible for the job role, logistics executive. And you should have a strong communication skills, and you should have a good fluency in English language, and you should also know the Hindi language. The candidates who know the Hindi language are mostly preferred. So as per their update, a candidate should have 2 years of experience in export and import, those will be preferred, and a person who knows the Hindi language as well, they will be preferred. But those are all, they have not given like it is mandatory, mostly preferred. You can check with the company on the given phone number for further details and any clarifications needed. And there is both male and female candidates are eligible for the job role, logistics executive. The contact number is 9894430100. Next, there is a job opening for color chemist for Menora Stationery Private Limited. Salary offered up to 20,000 per month based on your experience and skill set. Qualifications, if you see, BSc Chemistry or BE Chemical Engineering or Applied Chemistry Paint Technology Studies, who are all having these type of studies completed, those are eligible for the job role color chemist. And up to 3 to 5 years of experience in formulation and mixing of paint is required. You can check with the company for further information. Both male and female candidates are eligible for this job role. Contact number is 8822282828. Next, there is a job opening for territory sales and service executive for Achievers Live Medical Solutions. Salary offered up to 25,000 a month. Qualifications, if we see, any degree is the qualification, and both male and female candidates are eligible for the job role territory sales and service executive. You can contact on the given phone number for further details. Contact number is 9585557451. Next, there is a job opening for sales coordinator for Anagmus India Private Limited. Salary offered up to 15,000 a month. Qualifications, if you see, any degree, 1 or more years of experience in sales. But freshers are also eligible for the job role sales coordinator. As per their update, up to 1 year or more years of experience who are having, those are also eligible. But and also freshers are eligible for the job role. And there is also required, you should have a good administrative and organizational and problem solving skills. So you should know all these skills, you should have these skills as well, and you should know computer knowledge, you should have computer knowledge, computer literacy is required. And you should have excellent communication on sales and customer service skills. So these are all the qualifications as per their update. Both male and female candidates are eligible for the job role sales coordinator. You can contact on the given phone number for further information. Contact number is 9789284444. Next, there is a job openings for support executive tally for NS Infotech Private Limited. Salary is not disclosed. Qualifications, if you observe, any graduate and that is any degree. Only male candidates are eligible for the job role support executive, and you should have two-wheeler. Two-wheeler is must. You can share your resume at the provided email IDs, any of the email ID. One is madurai@yennes.com or info@yennes.com. There is a job openings for collection center executive for the same organization, NS Infotech Private Limited. Salary is not disclosed. Qualifications, if you see, any degree, 1 or more years of experience in sales. Freshers also eligible for this job role, collection center executive, and you should have good administrative, organizational skills and problem solving skills as well. You should know computer knowledge, and you should have computer knowledge, and you should have excellent communication and sales and customer service skills. So these are all the qualifications as per their update, and only male candidates are eligible for this job role, and you should have two-wheeler as well. You can share your resume at the provided email id. For further information, you can contact on the email ids. Email ids are madura at yennes.com and info at yennes.com. Next, there is a job openings for sales executive or senior sales executive for Transasia, and salary is not disclosed. Qualifications, if you see, diploma any specialization, and B pharmacy or BSc any specialization, or BTech BE any specialization. So qualifications are these, and both male and female candidates are eligible for this job role, sales executive or senior sales executive. And you can contact on the given phone number for further clarification and information. Contact number is 02240309041, and you can also share your resume at the provided email id career at transasia.co.in. There is also official website address link provided here, you can check with that. Next, there is a job opening for business development executive in IT sales for Uplosic Technologies Private Limited. Salary offered minimum 15,000 to 40,000 a month based on your skill set and experience. Qualifications, if you see, you should have strong experience in software sales process, and you should have experience in business analysis and business planning, and you should be a responsible person to generate new leads and business for the organization, and you should have excellent knowledge in sales presentation. You should have a good knowledge in sales presentation, and you should have strong communication skills both internationally and nationally, and you should have excellent like decision making skills in risk taking, and you should also have the knowledge of app marketing globally, so that will be an added advantage. So as per their update, there may be a chances of having a vacancy for freshers as well. You can check with the company on the given phone number for further information, and both male and female candidates are eligible for the job role, business development executive IT sales. The contact number is 0452429595. You can share your resume at the provided email id contact at uplogictech.com. There is also official website address link provided here, you can check with that. Next, there is a job openings for sales representative for the organization Tulsi Diamonds Private Limited. Salary offered minimum 10,000 to 15,000 per month. Salary is not a constraint for the right candidate. So if you have the right skill set as per the requirements, and if you meet the requirements, sure there will be a bargain on the salary, and salary is a not constraint for you if you are a right and fit person for this position. Qualifications, if you see, you should have experience in marketing and sales, and you should able to develop and implement strategic marketing plans for the organization, and you should have a sales plan forecast knowledge, and you should have the two-wheeler as well, and minimum 3 years of experience in marketing field will be considered. So based on that, they may offer you salary. Both male and female candidates are eligible for the job role, sales representative. You can contact on the given phone number for further information. Contact number is 9629649606. Next, there is a job openings for lab in charge for Preeti Hospitals. Salary offered up to 20,000 a month. Qualifications, if you see, any bachelor's degree with experience. Both male and female candidates are eligible for the job role. You can share your resume at the provided email ID. Email ID is careers at preethihospitals.com. That is careers at preethihospitals.com. Next, there is a job openings for Saravanan and Associates for the position Accounts Executive. Salary offered up to 11,000 a month. Qualifications, if you see, any bachelor's degree, and you should have experience in preparation of books and accounts preparations as well, and you should have a good accounting knowledge as well. Both male and female candidates are eligible for the job role Accounts Executive. You can contact on the given phone number for further information. Contact number is 8489291188. Next, there is a job openings for sales executive for ABT Nexa. salary offered up to 15,000 a month. There is also incentives and salary based on the selling the cars, like how many cars will be sold. Based on that there will be incentives as well. Qualifications, if we see any diploma or any degree, and you should have a experience in sales from minimum 1 year to 5 years, and that is the meaning that they are not going to hire freshers. Maybe you can check with the company on the given phone number for further information. And there is also requirement like only male candidates are eligible, and the person should have a four-wheeler driving license for the position sales executive as well. So you can check with the company on given phone number for further information. Contact number is 9994921965. Next, there is a job opening for site in charge for EnviroCare India Private Limited. Salary is negotiable, so based on your skill set and experience, there will be a negotiation on salary. Qualifications, if you see BSc or MSc chemistry or diploma chemistry or diploma in mechanical engineering, and you should have a good communication and adjustable and managing skills in plant operations and maintenance, RO, STP and ETP. And experience, if we see minimum 2 to 3 years of experience will be considered, and only male candidates are eligible for the job role site in charge. You can share your resume at the provided email ID, and you will be reverted back based on your requirement if you meet the requirements. Contact email ID is info@envirocareindia.com.